Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my little sister Jaden. Are you excited to open some boxes? So we made it to the top 12, the next round of the NYX Face Awards. So I have two big boxes right here, and just like the last two videos, we're gonna open them up. So I'm gonna open this one first, which has everybody's faces, and I think this is from the last round.
Keep doing your thing.
Well, I can't if you're talking. Are you just gonna stand there and sit there and watch me?
Uh-huh.
So this is the first box, and it says, "We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors." And it's the same sponsors as last time. So the first thing is this bag from Redken. Do you want to read what I got? You just say it loud.
A rough paste.
A rough paste.
An outshine. A heat design.
That's it. Some more skincare from Vichy. It's the same as last time. It looks like it's makeup wipes, a water spray, a serum, and then the micellar water. The next one is a Clarisonic. Treat yourself. You deserve it. Hello, gorgeous. As we wind down to the final round, make sure you take the time to relax and reflect on how far you've come and where you're going. Congrats on making it to the NYX Face Awards Top 12. Here are some goodies to prep you for the final round. How cute! A little sleeping mask. Oh, this is really cute.
Come on, Sash. It's a robe.
Oh, it's a little robe. And then another foundation brush for my Clarisonic. Oh, it's a mirror. It says, "Hello, gorgeous."
Oh.
This is a nice one. Wow.
That's the one I
And
wanted to buy you.
really?
Mm-hmm.
And then a nice little mirror for my vanity, which is perfect. It looks like it lights up. But that's really cool. That's super nice. And it has different magnifying mirrors. This is a big one from Target, it looks like. What?
She hears the word Target.
In honor of earning a spot in the 2018 Face Awards Top 12, please enjoy this gift from your sponsor, Target. Ooh.
Who's Target? Oh,
Yes.
they checked the website.
No, because NYX asks them to be a sponsor. Looks like I got a little straightener. It's like a travel one. And a little blow dryer. Ooh, and a big straightener. And a big curling iron. That are really cute, little designs on them. How cute! Are you jealous?
Yes.
You want to open this one? This one's from the powder room.
She got a colorful wig.
Oh.
Wow, that's like a rainbow wig.
And a bag.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh, it has one of the next. Whoa. It didn't look as cool because it was in the thing.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh.
And the roots are like black.
Wow.
That's pretty. You really like that.
That could
I
come
think it's
in
the best
handy.
one yet.
That's pretty.
There's one more from the sponsor box. And it's from Kitsch. And they make all kinds of cute hair stuff. So I got some scrunchies. I haven't worn a scrunchie in I don't know how long. And
That's from my days.
hair ties. Another type of hair tie. I don't know how that one works.
I think you put your hair through.
It's like a ponytail?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
They said, "Hey babe, congrats on making the top 12 in the NYX Face Awards. Good luck." Then I'll say a clip. Ooh, some little bobby pins with stars on them. another clip, and some more hair ties. Look at that. Would you look at that? Okay, now we're going to do the NYX box, maybe. I can just hear both of you guys.
I just cut myself watching you do
I
that.
know.
I know.
It's because she's left-handed, so it's so awkward.
Congratulations, your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 7th Annual Face Awards Top 12. We can't wait to see what you create in the 3rd challenge. So here, you can help me, Jaden.
Okay.
You have to open up each of these boxes as I go. Do it not face, don't do it towards you, do it the opposite direction. So this one's a specialty box. So it's like special effects, paints. So cream paints, and it looks like it's a mixing medium. So I can mix pigments with this and make paints, and then just some more cream paints. The next one is face. Ooh. So it looks like some baked blushes. We got some liquid highlighters, some powders. These look like cream sticks, like cream blushes and illuminators. Strobing cream. And primers. And concealers and contours. This one's lips. Sure. We got lipstick palettes. And then some shimmer down, lip veils, some matte lipsticks, some butter glosses, some lip lingeries. Okay, what's that one?
This one is a bunch of different stuff.
What does it say on the front?
It's eyes. So there's a bunch of eyeshadows.
Ooh, a bunch of eyelashes.
A bunch of false eyelashes.
Oh my gosh, this is more than the last time.
A NYX Dream Catcher palette.
So pretty.
I'm just pushing this side.
She got 2. An ink eyeliner.
I've been waiting for this one. This is the one that I wanted. Ooh, those are pretty.
2 A Wavy Glow palettes. Glitter lipstick.
I think they're for the eyelids. Ooh, these are cute. These are like pastel eyeliners.
Glitter eye tint.
And then a bunch of eyeliners.
Mascara.
Those are eyebrow gels. Here. The last one. This one's tools.
Makeup remover wipes. Pro Beauty wedges. And powder puffs.
Eye and lip makeup remover.
Brush cleaner.
Matte blotting paper.
Black
Yes.
blotting paper.
Lip color remover. Sponges. And then makeup cases. Looks like. And that's everything. That's all I got. There's only one more voting phase, and that's to get me to the top 6, which will get me to LA, and that will get me to win the whole challenge, which I will win $50,000, or still win $15,000 for being one of the 5 runner-ups. So if you guys would like to see me compete in the finals, please make sure you vote for me this round. Voting starts on the 13th of July, and you'll also see my next look go up that day as well. So I just want to tell you guys thank you so much. And do you have anything to say? You want to say anything at all? You're just being shy? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!